Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get my ducks in a row here. Can you guys hear me fine? Okay, looking good on the sound there. Not having a good run with the trading. So obviously I looked for short down here. Now I had an appointment, but I rushed, so I managed to get here in time. So let's do it. Got a stupid trade on here. Actually put an order in. I left it, and I see it actually went in. Market went against me insanely, stopping me out in the worst place ever. But you know what? We might see an opportunity in this leg down because we inversed here. I'd like to see some sort of a pullback back into this fair value gap, and then try to take a short there on the funded account. So only out of one trade. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. All right, let me just do this quick. Do, do, do. Righty. Now let's jump to a 1 minute. I knew when I got stopped here. I watched it on my phone. I just knew this thing is going to bounce from here, and I couldn't move my stop higher because that wouldn't make sense for me. But maybe we get a better opportunity now. So I'm gonna. This is the high. This is the consolidation, manipulation came down, and that would be nice if we can get a bit of a pullback even in this fair value gap here. Be a nice place to take a short. All right, so let's see if we get a good entry here for a change. And I think if we get a good entry here, the reward on the risk here is going to be much better anyways. But I need to get this entry here. I'll take this off, guys, because this is just not... I'll put an order there. And then we'll see. Happy Thursday. Okay, we're aiming for this blue block here, this fair value gap, to look for shorts. And I'm happy to take this. This is A plus, guys. We ran liquidity, which is this equal highs here. That's what it actually is. We consolidated, we manipulated, we expanded away from it. And now the right thing now is for price to come back up there and give us a nice entry. And there's 50% right there. So above that, that's the fair value gap. That's the value. I can't take a short here. And I hope this is not going to be one of those things where we hit the run lower without me. Little equal highs right here. Equal highs. Let's do it like this. Take this away. So we don't see it. We only see this. All right. Come on, you can do it. You can give me the nice setup today. Come on. Come on, we're getting there. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Do you guys think that's a good place to short? What do you guys think? Well, if we get price to get up there, I'm going to try it. Come on. Give us the juice. Da, 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 da. 100-point move from the market open manipulation done for the day. That's brilliant. Great work, man. Okay, let's see. The 1 hour charts say sell with all might. No, I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. Let's see. All right. CRT says look for buys. Who's CRT? Gosh, let me take all this shit off. All right, so we broke structure on the hourly. We pulled back into 50% into this fair value gap. We sold off. We pulled back. I entered here, got stopped. We ran these equal highs. And now I'm expecting price to go for this low. I mean, this looks like, I don't know, equal lows. That's why I short, looking for shorts. So equal highs. Okay, let's see. What can we do? Yep, I'm using Trading View, and I literally when I draw a block, gosh, where's the block? What happened to the block? If you go settings, visibility, where's the styles? There's a middle line here. So you can change the background, but then you can put the middle line in there as well. And that's basically what I'm doing. I know you can probably set it up as templates. I just haven't done it yet. So it looks like a bear flag. We need to see bodies close, close, close. And what am I targeting? I mean, we can target all the way down here. So that is 1, 2, 2.5, 3, maybe 3. So let's see. Be nice to see massive drop. Just a nice big fat drop. All right, so in this fair value gap, guys, equal highs or liquidity like this, that swing point there with those equal highs, fair value gap, that's a super magnet for price. When price gets there now, that would be a good place if we pin through it and close back down to sell to short. And with the bias that I'm in, I'm bearish. So I'm expecting this to happen, to reject there. I mean, I'll be surprised if we run all the way up there, but price can do that. But we'll have to see. Hope it doesn't go long on me. Okay, so the funny thing is we almost done with the macro time. All right, so let's see what happens. Still equal highs. So I don't get picked up here. In my CFD account on the prop account, I'm short. Just so you guys know. I hope it's not Not wrong again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it played out perfectly yesterday, but I was just annoyed that I'm not part of that. I wasn't part of that move. Okay, so I could also just now that where the IFVG overlaps with the fair value gap, that little block there, dark block. So we could see price spike in there, but this is good enough to short from, my opinion. Not financial advice whatsoever, guys. Just my opinion. This thing could go straight up, then I'm wrong. Not Yeah, it's just amazing that I mean all these swings. Like in this case, this is consolidation. Equal highs was sitting here. We ran it, we break lower, and now we're in a premium zone. So in my almost say calculation, this should be protected, but we're gonna have to see what this bloody thing does now, because so we went through the equal highs, but we did not pin down. That's always the issue. Be nice to see a big fat black candle now. Okay, now I want you to fall down the floor. That's how big I want you. So that's a nice reaction. At the fair value gap's 50%. It's below 50 now. It's right there to maybe take more orders. So let's see. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Come on. That's a nice wick on the top there, close below the low. That wick could be the area where we would take more sellers to send price lower. But let's see. Oh gosh. Take us to the river down. Just sell. Just sells and drop as hard as you can. Okay, let's do this. Oh gosh, guys. What in the world is happening? Oh gosh. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. Setup missed. Who is CRT? Guys, who is CRT? What are you guys talking about? This funded account, guys, will look like a nightmare right now. Gosh. What in the world? All right. I mean, there was no, the news was earlier. Okay. I just realized in this bloody trade, so I use a calculator to place the trades. So normally I set it to 0.5%. The second trade it actually risked 1%. So I'm down 1.5% today. Alrighty. Yes, it's one of those things, guys. Oh, where's black candle of the range? Guys, can someone tell me who CRT is? Is it the guy? Is it the indicator? What is it? Okay, well, obviously, whatever we did here is not following through. I mean, I'm trying to think. So we ran these equalize right here. We ran it. Let me put it there so we can see it. I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on here. Equalize got ran there. Little fair value gap here. What was this all about? This was a inversion. Liquidity, consolidation, manipulation, expansion, inverse, and then this. Oh. Oh well. Just want to look at something quickly. Even on a 1 minute. I still thought this was a good short, but obviously not. Just okay. US and Iran reached a deal. Ah, my word! This guy, this Trumpy guy. So what are we making new highs then today? Right. So guess I can't take any trades. I'm done for the day, guys. Holy crap-a-moly. Watching the hour candle. Well, let's look at it. Let's do this. Just to show you guys what I was thinking. Okay, so we ran highs, we shifted low, right? And this is a bearish breaker structure. This fair value gap, out price here, exactly to that midpoint that we spoke about yesterday. The sell-off was there, great. Then we made a new low. I went, saw this, took a short, got stopped. I will only think bullishness when we close above this. Anything below this is still bearish and below this high. So we then inverse this, yes, but we ran liquidity and came back down. So I don't know. What do I know right now? This is just hyping people up and then we sell off again. There's liquidity equal highs is right there. When are you guys removing Trump from office so we can have some normality again? Okay, let's see. Okay, so let me just go back to this chart here. I just want to show you guys the other thing. This is also a good target. So I thought 1, 2, and this would go down to there. Because, you know, push down, pull back, perfect. Push down, pull back, perfect. Push down, stop, and then this could be the rate now to push down into this area. This is a 1 hour. I mean, you got to close above that high. I know there's about 36 minutes left still, so maybe this was the manipulation to go lower. Got to keep an eye on this now. Let's take this thing out. If we sell off, break the structure down here and leave a fair value gap here, that could be a short. But that's on 15 minutes. But for me to look at any shorts, we need to get through this level. Got to sell off and close below that, break structure, and then come back to retest to go lower. And for as long as we don't do that, we could go sideways here, or we could just bounce higher here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, Trumpy Trump? Even on the 15 minutes, where's the 15 minutes? Yeah. 10. This low here. I think we're not even at 50%. Now we are. Let's see, which one is this? Oh, it's the one before that. So it's this one, yeah. So on the 15 minute, we just missed 50% here. Maybe this block here for a short, for a long bounce. I'm trying to think, because this is what I see now. And I'm wondering, is this the case? Is this what it is? Consolidation, manipulation, expansion, pullback for the entry. Okay, let's see. don't know. Are we going up here? Most probably. Oh well, guys, it's one of those things. I mean, it's one of one of the things of trading. I'm just trying to see why I missed it. I mean, who would have known that Trump's going to tweet that? But I'm trying to look at the market to see if I could have, I don't know, not got into that trade. Right, well, I'm on the side again. I mean, it looks like it's going up now, but I can't do anything now. Unfortunately, I can't. Let's go to the 15 minutes quickly. So in this fair value gap, haven't broken through it yet, so so oil is going down and we're going up. Well, I'll see. Dow's up. S&P is up. How the hell? Well, it looks like things are turning bullish again. Till Trump deletes that message and then we spike down again. Do I see any equal highs? Yes. At 30, 22 to 5 levels, equal highs. Equal highs right here. So, I mean, then there's liquidity higher up. So, definitely equal highs, yeah. Amazing how the market reacts so quickly, especially when it's a manipulative market. When Trump says something, makes you wonder. All right, so I'm probably gonna, look for a long here. I'll take this off. I'm gonna take that off. Take this off just to get a clear picture here. This fair value gap high. And the reason I'm saying this particular one is if you measure it, 50% lines up with this black candle and it's in the fair value gap. So right on top of that there and target higher price. But I'll be careful because that's the, I think the H1 fair value gap. So pretty much stuck here. But let's see. It's equal highs right here, so we could bounce to take it. Oh gosh. What can we do? What can we do? Ugh. So I can't even, well, if you look at this 15-minute, yes, this looks like a trade. But if you jump down to 1 minute, looks ugly. $166. Sorry, I'm on a 15 minutes. Yeah, that's so close to price, so that's definitely equal highs, yeah. This, that's all liquidity. Because we're doing this again. And we're doing this. We're just contracting. And we normally see either manipulation to bounce or just run. Depends on where it wants to go. Okay, so this line here, that's probably where I would look for longs if I'm trading as a possible manipulation to bounce from. Even if we go up here, I mean, we're leaving all the sell side here. This all this lows. If we then potentially see a turnaround. But let's see. Toot, toot, toot. Let's see, let's see. I mean, let's look at this quickly. 10 o'clock was here. So, I'm looking at this strategy that we're trading. I mean, as simple as it is, I mean, it's only, what, 2 days in? I'm wondering, I mean, I'm not changing it, so we're going to see it through, but I'm just watching my momentum trades. I mean, this is a momentum trade to report profit down here. But anyways, never mind. Let's see what old Nasdaq wants to do. It's a nice pullback. If that pullback was lower, that was going to be a nice entry. But then again, no follow through, guys. That's the problem. Let's see what gold did. Gold popped higher. Okay. Dow is back in the middle. S&P is still up there. Okay, well, we're getting into the the macro in 5 minutes. Then we'll see. Okay. Okay, so creeping up, and then we sell off. Crawling up. Let's look at this quickly. Did this actually bounce off? Okay, really gap. Right, I don't know what to tell you guys. 2 minutes, then we in macro again. And let's see, maybe push higher. I don't know. Dump. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's see. Back on the train of not doing anything fast. Anyways. Still stuck in this hourly fair value gap though. So it's accumulating there. Okay, macro. What can happen? Nothing. Okay, let's see. Are we going to do it or we're not going to do it? Oh, what will happen in lunchtime? I mean, let's see. There's equal lows here. There's equal lows here. I mean, this is. Let me show you guys what I'm doing here. So this gap here with those little lows there, that's a good draw as well. I know as tiny as that look, that's actually worth it. So we run the highs, but we're not running lows. Ta-da-da, ta-da. Price is not going anywhere, guys. Not now. Everybody saw Trump doing a deal. Now everybody's waiting to see if he's concluding it. Okay, so this is him busy on a phone call and someone wants him to approve it. So maybe he's waiting for everybody to gather around so he can show them how he signs a piece of paper. And I think once that happens, then might see price do what it wants to do again. Anyways, yeah, looking for continuation. That's exactly. I mean, if they're doing a deal, I mean, if this was just, hey, we're doing a deal, okay, let's get it approved, then another push higher would be the ultimate. Unless he says I was just joking, and then boom, we'll see market drop again. But everything seems bullish right now, so let's see. And then anybody who trades oil, I mean that would be a good short, I think, on oil. All I tell you guys, you can't trust politicians. You just can't trust these people. Da, 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 da. Right, well, it doesn't look like anything's happening. Let me see if I can see if there's a time schedule somewhere for old Trumpy to approve. Nope. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Trade agreement. So they say the US and Iran have reached an agreement on a 60-day memorandum of understanding, okay, to extend the ceasefire and launch negotiations. So it's not, I mean, that lasts, but I mean, if it's a 60-day, it's another 2 months. Extend ceasefire, so it's not final. That's what worries me. So Trump is the guy that needs to say yay or nay. That's the final approval that we were talking about, so that's good. But what do we know? All right, so cool. Okay, guys, so I think I'm going to jump off. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the PM session. Then we can see if anything has changed. I'm not taking further trades on that FTMO account, so I've been demolished these yesterday and today. Today I was very confident on those trades and just didn't play out. And we'll just wait for another opportunity again, and then we'll take the bull by the horns then, or the bear, whichever one you like. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys a bit later. Cheers. Bye.